Hi, this is the fifth part of bit manipulation series. In this video we will see C program to find number of zeros or number of reset bits. If you did not watch the previous videos, then please watch that videos to get the concept of bit manipulation. So let's start. For example, you are given to take 8-bit number from user and to find the number of zeros present in that number. Let the number is 11111010, so there will be 2 zeros or 2 reset bits. Now to get this, let's build a logic first. After understand the logic, we will implement the logic in C program. Now if we do bitwise an operation with the input and 1, we will get 1 if LSB is 1, or we will get 0 if LSB is 0. Now in second iteration, if we do right shift the input by 1 bit and do an operation with 1, we will get 1. Similarly in third iteration, by right shifting input and doing and with 1, we will get 0 again. Now in fourth iteration, by shifting input and doing and with 1, we will get 1. Similarly, we will do this process total 8 times and will count the zeros present in the input number. In such a way we will count how many times zeros occurs at output by right shifting up to 8 times. This is the logic to count ones. Now let's implement it in C program. #include stdio.h int main. Now to store 8 bits of data, we will use char data type and also will use unsigned, so that 8 bits will be magnitude only and MSB bit will not be signed bit. Input to take user input and output to check output. Now let's take another int variable count to count the number of zeros. Let's take input scanf, format specifier for unsigned, char, numerical value is HHU. So now using for loop we will do bitwise an operation with 1 and check output is 0 or not 8 times. If it is 0, count will be increment by 1. And at every iteration of for loop, input will be right shifted by 1 bit. So finally count will contain the number of reset bits or number of zeros present in the input. If you want videos like this, subscribe the channel. Thank you.